Hey, have you ever felt that programming is tougher or the words such as algorithms, DSA, etc. makes you scarier? But what if I say that these are actually easier and simple logic building? So firstly introduce myself. I am Sowmya Kumari and someone who truly loves teaching. So, when earlier back then, when I have started programming as a first year undergrad, it was a long and hard way, totally unaware how to debug a simple error. And now I know that how can I do it in a proper and easier way, so you can do it together. This channel is totally based for beginner levels, starting from beginning basic levels to the advanced levels. So let me give the gist of this channel. What are we going to learn through this? We'll be having different programming languages and other computer science subjects, such as Java and OOPS concepts from basics to advanced level, and then comes Python, all from zero level to advanced level. And next, we also have DSA and DA and many more other subjects related to computer science, totally for beginners. So, if you want to stop fearing this programming buzzword, let's do it together in a simpler way. So, just hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.